Shall we begin?
Hey everyone, this is expertchannel, and today I'm going to be reviewing the wireless touch keyboard K400 Plus by Logitech. This is a pretty amazing piece of equipment here. Obviously a wireless keyboard, a built-in touchpad, which is really awesome. It's especially great for what I'm using it for, and that is a Android TV box. So on the front of the box, as you can see, it says laid back control of your PC to TV entertainment. On the back we have built-in touchpad, 10 meter range, media friendly key layout. We also have plug and play, so it just comes with a dongle, and 18-month battery life, which is really good. We'll open it up here. As you can see on the end there, that piece is the dongle that it comes with.
This is not a drill.
Repeat, this is not a drill.
Okay, so we'll go ahead and take it out of the box. And once we take it out, you can see you're left with the empty box, and we have the keyboard here.
Is that all you got?
Language instructions, like it said on the box, it's just plug and play, so you don't really need this little dongle. I'll show you later the Android TV box I'm going to plug it into. It has 4 steps here, you know, just how to set it up to a PC if you want to. It's very easy. You just remove the tab that's on the back and plug in the piece. Now, what I had to do for my Android TV box, I had to actually restart it for it to recognize. So it might be the same for PC. I'm not sure. I haven't tested yet. Front here, so control PC to TV. I'll remove that sticker probably at a later time.
Shall we begin?
A little tab on the back, which just stops batteries from being. I'll pop the cover off and just remove the batteries. I had the option to, I was looking into the ones you can buy from Amazon for these things, and you know, I think I'm much happier with this one. This is my Android box, the MXQ Pro 4K. It has the S905 chip in it. I'll put a link to it in the description. It has a HDMI port, 4 USB ports, Ethernet port, SD. So it's built-in Wi-Fi. So I'm plugging in the double layer. And this is the Android box. It's running Android Lollipop 5.1. And as you can see, it's being responsive. This is a Kodi build I'm using. Kodi, or for those of you who may not be familiar with the name Kodi, XPMC. So this is just a live game that I'm streaming. All the links to the things mentioned in this will be in the description. I have a new link up here just to, you know, just to make sure that I'm respecting that. If you like this video, please give me some comments. You know, any questions, comment, rate, subscribe. Thank you.
Is that all you got?
Let's begin.